Imagine holding a phone that doesn't just keep up but gets better year after year. With Samsung promising 7 major Android upgrades, the Galaxy S25 Ultra might just be your last phone for a while. Let's dive into why this flagship is turning heads even before its official release. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, still unannounced yet highly anticipated, packs a list of features that sounds almost unreal. So, what's really inside this new powerhouse? Here's everything you need to know. Starting with its build, the Galaxy S25 Ultra combines a titanium frame with Gorilla Glass on both front and back, giving it a premium feel and solid durability. This phone isn't just about looks, it's built to handle life. It's IP68 rated, meaning it can survive up to 1.5 meters underwater for 30 minutes. The phone feels surprisingly light at 219 grams and stays sleek with an 8.2 millimeters thickness. Plus, it features Samsung's iconic stylus with Bluetooth integration for even more control over your device. The display is massive and crystal clear. With a 6.8-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X screen, it supports a stunning 1440 by 3120 resolution, providing rich colors and crisp details. The 120Hz refresh rate makes every scroll and tap feel seamless. And with a peak brightness of 2600 nits, using this phone in bright sunlight won't be an issue. Samsung's new Galaxy S25 Ultra runs on the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, which is an octa-core processor offering speeds up to 4.19 GHz. This kind of power is perfect for high-end gaming and multitasking. Paired with the Adreno 830 GPU clocked at 1.25 GHz, you're looking at console-level graphics performance. Running Android 15, the S25 Ultra is equipped with Samsung's One UI 7, designed for a smooth and user-friendly experience. Samsung has committed to 7 years of major Android upgrades, a huge plus for those who want their phone to keep pace with the times. The storage options are huge. Choose between 256GB with 12GB of RAM, 512GB, or a massive 1TB with 16GB of RAM. And with UFS 4.0 storage technology, you'll experience blazing fast data speeds whether you're downloading apps or transferring files. Moving to the camera, Samsung has truly outdone itself. The main camera packs an impressive 200MP sensor with multi-directional phase detection, autofocus and optical image stabilization. The S25 Ultra also offers 10MP and 50MP telephoto lenses with 3x and 5x optical zoom, plus a 50MP ultra-wide lens. This setup is perfect for capturing everything from close-ups to panoramic shots with ease. For video, it can record in 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K at up to 120 frames per second, and even 1080p at a stunning 240 frames per second. And if you're into vlogging, the 12MP selfie camera can shoot 4K video at 60 FPS. Powering all these features is a solid 5000 mAh battery. With a mix of 45W wired and 25W wireless charging, you can reach 65% in just 30 minutes. It even supports reverse wireless charging, which lets you share power with other devices. The Galaxy S25 Ultra supports Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and all the latest GPS and NFC technologies. The USB-C port enables fast data transfers, and the stereo speakers, tuned by AKG, deliver crisp sound quality. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, packed with features that make it a standout. From its powerhouse performance to its stunning camera setup, this phone is designed for users who want the best. If you're considering an upgrade, this flagship might just be worth the wait. Stay tuned for more updates as Samsung releases official details.